Thank you so much. I'm behaving like a beauty contest contestant. Not really. I miss doing good romantic films like Mujhe Kuch Kehna Hai for sure. Yeah, there have been one or two films which I kind of last minute realized that I should not be doing this film. And it's not good for the producer also to make this film. She's an evergreen heroine. Kareena never ages. Kareena never looks dull or looks tired at all. She still looks like she's a newcomer.
Hi Tushar, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Hi, thank you so much.
First of all, Tushar, congratulations, 20 years in this industry, such a long period of time. So congratulations for that.
Thank you so much. I'm behaving like a beauty contest contestant.
So Tushar, how would you sum up this whole journey of 20 years in this industry?
I don't know. I can write a book on it. I mean, 20 years is not a small amount of time. But I'll sum it up with a few words. I would say exciting, surprising, tough, hectic, and I would say transforming. Few words.
Right.
But
so Tushar, do you remember when you started your journey, was there any kind of an advice or a tip that Jitendra sir gave it to you?
Not really very, very specific advice, but generally broadly, he advises very, very broadly. And he would always say, ki, you do what you feel is right, you do what your heart tells you to. Don't think too much, and professionalism always pays. So he's a very patient person, and he's somebody who doesn't really brood over things too much. So acha ho ya bura ho, he takes it lightly and he moves on. So that's how he had always asked me to be, like, be cool. That's what he used to say.
Right. So Tushar, when you started, of course, you have been a part of more of romantic films, like maybe Mujhe Kuch Kehna Hai was, of course, was a romantic film. Then there was Jeena Sirf Mere Liye and others as well. So, but after, I would say Golmaal or Kya Cool Hai Hum, it happened that you had a shift into more comedy films. So do you miss romancing on the big screen?
Not really. I miss doing good romantic films like Mujhe Kuch Kehna Hai for sure. And I did one much later, like Dirty Picture mein mera ek supporting role tha, but it was a romantic character. I think that was probably in Silk's life, the quintessential romantic chapter is mine. So I would like to call it a romantic character, and that was there. Shore in the City में भी एक goon होते हुए भी थोड़ा एक chemistry था राधिका और मेरे बीच में, राधिका के character और मेरे character के बीच में, and we were like on our kind of a husband and wife who were reliving their romance. So kind of they were like coming into their own as a couple. So that was also a romantic kind of a track. And the Kya Cools have been adult comedies, but I've always had this romantic track in that. In the first part, Isha is somebody whom I fall in love with, and she thinks I'm a serial killer, and we have this track going on between us. And in the second part, I'm very much in love with Neha, and she's always running away from me, I think, and then she accepts me. I think that is the part of the story. So both the Kya Cools also, I had romantic tracks. Finally, the Golmaal series, I have never had a romantic track. Ironically, I've never done. But in Boo also, I didn't have a romantic track. So yeah, kuch the, kuch nahi the. So I don't miss it because it's always there, like somewhere or the other in one of the films.
Right. In 20 years, of course, you must have been rejected movies, or you had to do any film which you didn't want to. So is there a kind of any regret that's there?
Yeah, there have been one or two films which I kind of last minute realized that I should not be doing this film. And it's not good for the producer also to make this film. There's nothing cohesively, working towards making a good film that's happening with this particular project. So I used to get very, very pressurized in that sense because I didn't know how to get out of the film. And then I used to just do the film because then it looks really bad and people start getting very, very anxious and get very, very, they get very disappointed and they don't see what you're seeing, that, okay, there's no point making this film. They don't understand that. So it's better to not, damage your relationship and your reputation and just do what you are committed to do. So ek do baar aisa hua hai, but today I feel there are no regrets because अच्छी हो या बुरी हो, you know, काम करके आदमी सीखता ही है. You got to have your face out there in front of the camera again and again to know what not to do also. To know that, okay, this is a world that, you know, will have some bad experiences and some good experiences also, and both will really, you know, come together to make you who you are. So it's important to go through that struggle. That's very important.
Right. You know, if we talk about Mujhe Kuch Kehna Hai, when it had released, I think your pairing with Kareena was liked by a lot of people. Of course, you guys were a hit jodi. Then there was, of course, Jeena Sif Mere Liye also that happened. But why then we didn't get to see you both in as a romantic couple? You know, of course, you guys did Golmaal series where you, I think, once you played her brother. But then we didn't get to see you much more as a couple on the big screen. Why do you think that, you know, makers should have approached you more with Kareena and pair up with you in the early 2000s?
Nothing really came up, you know, that could have us together, and even today we might be able to do something together. So never say never, but ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं कि कोई फिल्म ऐसी आई जिसमें I would say कि करीना और मैं साथ में आ सकते थे. And she's always been very keen to work together for the right film. So when that happens, I'm sure there won't be a problem. She's and she's an evergreen heroine. You know, Kareena never ages. Kareena never looks dull or looks tired at all. She still looks like she's a newcomer. So and so do I think. So we shouldn't discard that thought completely.
Right. You know, of course, 20 years, as I said earlier, that it's a huge, you know, period. Do you see any difference that in the industry right now, and which was not there earlier 20 years ago? Do you see any difference?
I think now, of course, there's so much media, social media. There's so many more ads being made. There's so many more shows being done. There are so many more genres of films that are being made, and so many more events, so many more functions. I think it's become big. It's become a big business. It's become very commercial. Not just the movie part of it, but even these things that are part of the paraphernalia of being part of the industry. They have become so extensive and so large a number that sometimes you don't know, you know, where you're going, where you're coming. So sometimes lockdown में ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ी शांति आ गई है क्योंकि इतनी चीजें नहीं रही. अभी सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया ही है, घर पे बैठ के जो थोड़ा बहुत सोशल मीडिया करना है कर सकते हैं, पर एटलीस्ट कपड़े पहन के बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ेगा रोज, या फिर किसी की शादी हो या किसी का फिल्मी फंक्शन हो, या वो बहुत ज्यादा हो गया आजकल. अदर देन दैट आई थिंक फिल्में तो पहले भी बहुत बनती थी, अभी भी बहुत बनती है, और लोग जाते हैं फिल्में देखने. तो that part of our culture will never go out of our lives, and we will always be waiting for the cinemas to open to go and watch movies back at the cinemas.
You know, Tushar, in this 20 years, I'm sure you must have faced a lot of criticism as well, be for some films that didn't do well, or, you know, having a name like Jitendra Sir attached with you. I mean, there was this thing which I had also read that, you know, he is only doing movies that are produced by his sister. So, you know, how did you tackle all this kind of criticism that came in your way through this every year, you know?
Initially, I used to wonder why are they lying so much? Why are these people, why are they asking these questions just to probably, you know, thoda ungli karne ke liye? Because I did start with Mujhe Kuch Kehna Hai, which was a film that I earned on my own because I was working as an AD, and I was offered this film by Vashuji. And he was not a home production producer, he was somebody from the outside. So why don't why don't people look at that? Why don't people look at the fact that I have done more films outside my family home productions and than the films that I've done within the family. So that statistical knowledge, I think, sometimes gets, you know, ignored, which used to get me irritated sometimes, but I mostly ignored it. I was like, इनका तो काम ही है, अभी आप थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा करोगे तो बोलेंगे आपने ये नहीं किया, फिर बोलेंगे ये नहीं किया, तो इग्नोर करो तो बेटर है, खुद चुप हो जाएंगे, और वो खुद चुप हो गए बाद में.